Hi, I am Avinav. Today I am gonna simulate the fluid flow around a circular structure. All this setup will be in a 2D sketch. So let's get started. This is COMSOL 5.5 version. Start model wizard. Start 2D. Select laminar flow or from here the fluid flow drop down. Single phase flow, laminar flow. Add study. This stationary study. So click on. So this is a graphic window. This is setting. Set in mm or make it millimeter. It will be easy for to calculate to compute. In geometry, right click, select rectangle. Let's close this. So this is the setting for making a rectangle. Let's give it a width 10 mm, height 4, rest everything is fine. Build all object. This is a rectangle. Then again we have to create a circular cavity here. So to create that, right click on geometry, create a circle. Let's make its radius 0.5. Solid. Its position. So we have to position it here to the middle of this rectangle. So x is 5 and y is 2. Rest everything is fine, don't change it. Build select, this is here. So now to delete this circle from this rectangle, click on geometry, then boolean and partition, then difference. Objects to be added, it is activated. Now it's deactivated, activated, and objects to be added, add this. Then active objects to subtract, activate this panel and click select this circle, build all object. So this is subtracted, this cavity, circular cavity. Then form union, it's better to be done to avoid any failure or error. So this is our setup ready. So now let's add material. Right click on it, add material from library. Add water. I have recent material, or you can add from here. Liquid and gases. Liquid, water. Add to component. Okay. So this is the property of water. Don't change it. Now laminar flow. These are fluid property, initial value of the water fluid inside this. Now let's add a input inlet. So right click on laminar flow, click inlet. So this is the inlet from where the fluid will enter. Select this boundary. These are all right. Boundary condition. You can give pressure also, but here I am giving velocity. Let's give it a velocity. Oh sorry, 0.05. That is 50 millimeter per second. Then again right click on laminar flow, add an outlet. give it an outlet from where water will go out. We selected our boundary number 4. Then rest everything is fine. Here pressure velocity no matter. Here we have given 0 atmospheric pressure, that is gauge pressure 0, that is atmospheric pressure. Everything is fine. Rest. Then set a mesh, and this is physics controlled mesh is alright. Here you can choose normal, fine, finer, or if your computer power is less, you can select coarse, coarser, extra coarser, or extremely coarser. Or if your computer is perfectly or very powerful, you can select extremely fine, extreme fine, finer. Here we will select normal, build all. So this mesh is created, is fine, neat and study. Let's compute. So this is the velocity profile we can see. Let's show maximum minimum value. Here 0.09 is the maximum value of velocity. In this part we can see the maximum velocity is achieved. Also, to add streamline, right click on the velocity in the results tab and add streamline. So this is the streamline settings. Rest everything is fine. We just have to increase the number of streamline. Let's make it 40 and select the boundary from where the streamline will start, then plot it. So here we can see the streamline. It's distributed. It's distributed perfectly, symmetrically. So thanks for watching my video. Next video will be turbulent flow, the same problem.